EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for May 18th, 2020. The weekend forecast video was the last video we recorded, and that was on Friday evening. And it was we alluded to some changes that were possible this week with regard to how it would play out. And I know we're going with the statistics that are kept through YouTube, which we record, the platform we use to record the video. We can see that the weekend forecast video is not nearly as populous as the weekend during the week here, where most of the people watch the videos, and that's okay. That's the things people have things to do on the weekend. I understand that, but if you did watch the weekend forecast video, I alluded to some big changes that are possible this week. We weren't ready to put those in the forecast yet, but I said very specifically that there was a chance that this was not going to be as doom and gloom as it seemed when we were looking at this on Friday evening, recording for the weekend. So looked like at that time there was going to be plenty of rain on Monday, Tuesday, and part of Wednesday before we get a little mini break and then more showers late in the week, and that is not the case. And it's because this upper level low does not exactly behave exactly the way the models think it's going to do. And this is very typical of cutoff upper level lows. So we do have a couple cutoff upper level low. That is still the case. But today we're going to have an onshore flow sandwiched in between a couple systems. We have a high pressure off to the north here, very strong high pressure. And at the same time, we have Tropical Storm Alberto off the coast here that will remain off the coast. But there's going to be an onshore flow in between these that's going to lead to plenty of clouds. So although we're not getting rain today, there is going to be plenty of cloud cover involved today, and the closer to the shore points you get, the more cloud cover you get. I think further interior, you're probably just mostly cloudy as opposed to overcast. So you might actually see some peaks of sun at some points during the day in the interior west of the Delaware River. If you're in New Jersey, probably not. You're really getting a pretty steady douse of an onshore marine flow here. And this onshore flow is going to continue for the next couple of days, but you're going to have the first is going to be from Alberto, moving away from the region, and high pressure off to the north, giving you that onshore flow. Excuse me, that's going to be today. But the rain associated with that is no longer here. Not for Monday, not for Monday night, not for Tuesday, not for Tuesday night. So what expected to be several inches of rain here in this early week time frame is no longer the case. So we're going to be high and dry, but at the same time, we're going to be probably mostly cloudy or overcast for most of this time frame. Now, I will say on Tuesday, you have a better chance of seeing a little bit more sun because Alberto's no longer in the picture. We still have an onshore flow coming in here because high pressure is now just east of Maine, but the upper level low is sitting over the Tennessee Valley at this point. So as we move through the week here, you're going to have increasing amounts of sun. By the time we get to Wednesday, we're expecting partly to mostly cloudy skies instead of just mostly cloudy. Okay, and then partly cloudy skies by Thursday. Now, eventually, this upper level low is going to move through the area. It's going to move off to the north and east, and will give us some showers. But these are just showers. These are not heavy. It's not heavy rain. We're looking at maybe half inch to a quarter inch to a half inch of rain as we get into the Friday, Saturday time frame. I would say late Thursday through Friday night is probably the best chance, and then maybe lingering into Saturday with some scattered thunderstorms as well. But this upper level low will move away eventually, and then will give us a partly cloudy day here on Sunday. So NAM is in agreement with this. This is the first to really identify the pattern that we're going to be in early in the week, and it said that the global models are showing all this rain, 2-3 inches of rain, possibly even more than that early in the week. And the NAM, from the time it came into range, which was Friday evening, said no, I don't think so, and that is still the case here with the latest NAM run. This is going all the way through Thursday, and you can see no rain whatsoever across the region, but you will have the clouds that you're going to be dealing with. More clouds than sun over the next couple of days. Again, today's going to be probably the cloudiest day of the next three. Maybe mostly cloudy or pretty close to overcast today, and then mostly cloudy here on Tuesday, partly cloudy or partly to mostly cloudy on Wednesday, partly cloudy on Thursday, and eventually this upper level low is going to lift out. But when it does, it's just going to be whatever is left of it at that point. So the heaviest rain that's going to fall with this upper level low is going to be well southwest of the region. Okay, so over the Tennessee Valley and the Ohio Valley, and then eventually it moves through. By the time we get to late in the week, the NAM actually runs through Thursday morning shows absolutely nothing, but so does the European model, so in fairness. So it's not really showing it. Here's the same point on the European model, and here's the NAM. Okay, European model, NAM. So not really too much difference there as far as placement of features, but the whole big story is no rain that we're going to be dealing with until at least to the end of the week. And even that might change. So we're going to get to the end of the week, and it might be a lot less than advertised, and the timing might be a little bit different. But up through at least Wednesday, probably Thursday at least, we're looking at dry conditions, and then we'll look for maybe Thursday night, maybe later Thursday night, Friday, and Friday night, maybe lingering into Saturday with scattered thunderstorms during this period. But we'll re-examine that as we get a little bit closer. But it does look like we're going to have, with that onshore flow and those clouds in place, we're going to be cooler than average Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We start to climb out of it here a little bit on Thursday, even more so on Friday, and then even more so on Saturday, where we get to above normal temperatures and some scattered thunderstorms possibly come into the picture at that point. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for May 18th, 2020. Have a great Monday.